Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Rafwylin. What up? It's my first video. I'm excited. I'm nervous. You know what I'm saying? If you hear, like that like button, subscribe. I'm on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Let's get to 1,000 subscribers. But yo, like I said before, Rafwylin from Pittsburgh, producer. I'm excited to finally put my stuff out there. It's been a while. Been producing for like 6 years, but haven't really put anything out. But I'm doing it now. That's all that matters. So today, if you know from the description, we are doing a Soulja Boy type beat. Alright, so what I started with was a sample, a loop that I a loop that I got from the Kit Plug. They're amazing. Go check them out. Free kits, free loops, free MIDI for fire. Like they're I said for fire, for free, and they're fire. But yeah, that's the original loop. I did something different. I deepened it. I stretched out the sample. I used the Huel. I don't know if it's really called that, but that's what I call it. It's called time stretch. But yeah, well, it's part of time stretching. Anyway, it stretches out the sample, makes it slower or faster to the right, slower to the left, faster. So I turned it to the right a little bit to make it slower, and then I EQ'd the lows and the highs out of it. So when I add in 808s and everything, though, yeah, and the reverb. Gotta have the reverb, make it sound more realistic and full and everything like that. So yeah, here's what I made out of it. Yeah, I'm saying, woo. Then from there I added the 808s. Simple pattern with the 808 too. Simple pattern, but it's so crazy. Like, man, it just boom. I ain't get there yet, but from there, add the claps. Yeah, get that. Ooh, hey, get that. What? After that, I added the I keep saying on accident, but that and the hats. The hats are a simple what is it called? Two-step? Called two-step? Yeah, two-step roll. Two-step roll. It's a simple two-step for the hats, and then I added a roll at the end of it. So I go. So simple. Simple beats be fire. Alright, and then I added some perks. Then I added some just crouch and you know what I'm saying? And then I added an extra snare to complement the clap, and I made it go with the perk pattern, so it just added an extra layer, extra little flavor. It sounds lovely. And now open hat. that, and I was just had that playing. I'm like, this is fire. But so what I do is sometimes I start with one pattern, and then I keep on adding sounds into that one pattern, and then I split that pattern up, and then I build up the song into that whole pattern, which would basically be the hook. But yeah, so for the hook I wanted something different in there. I freaking grabbed this sound again from the kit plug. Most of this stuff is from the kit plug. I'm telling you, go. And yeah, so this is it. I don't know why, I just felt like it'd go perfect with it, and there's all of it together. I'm saying, bring the shorty in, hey, she get it, she lit, hey, it's lit, hey, that's a G, hey, what's up, sit on the bench, you look like a winch, smell like a witch, ain't in the bitch, I've been in the mix, yeah. Alright, so now I'm gonna show you guys how I layered it. Alright, so what I do is I go over here into current project, and then click on patterns, and then I go to the first pattern, hit clone, and then after you clone it, you hit split by channel. And once you hit split by channel, it does this. It separates everything that you made, all like that. And you still get to keep the pattern that you made everything all together with. So this is how I layered it. So first I started off with the sample. Alright, so me, I like having intros in my music. So most of my stuff is gonna start off, you know, empty, let you hear the sound, and then something is gonna grasp your attention, grasp your attention right before the beat drops, or as the beat is dropping, or the beat is going to surprise you. So it can be either one. I don't even know why I'm explaining that, but yeah. So I decided to put the hook right before it dropped because it just added extra flavor to it. You vibing. Oh, you like, oh, what? Hey. And as you can see, for the first drop, I added the 808, the hook, the perk, and the clap. It just sets like the tone of the ooh. This is, you know what I'm saying? Hey, you know? And then I added the chants. And I added, and I added the chants. And then right here I added the hats. So what I like to do is every like 2 bars, I would say 2 bars, I'm not sure if I'm saying that right. I believe I am, but every 2 bars, actually every 4 bars, I like to bring in something new. So it's not like the same thing over and over. Your ears don't get bored. The rapper can have more things to go by and everything. So each time there's something coming in or something subtracting. So yeah. Next around in the kicks. for the verse, I kept the hi-hat simple. I took the layer, I took the roll out at the end of the kicks and saved it for the hook, you know, just so the hook had more flavor. And you know, because this is a simple fire beat, why not? But yeah, and then so we're here at the kicks. And then I talk about the kicks and the hi-hats. Talk about we still vibing, but digressing at the same time. Boom, hey. And then into the hook. Flipping the word, yeah. Flipping the word, yeah. Super superb, yeah. Super superb, yeah. Your girl wanna flirt, yeah. Your girl wanna flirt, she get on my nerves, yeah. She get on my nerves. But yeah. Oh man. But yeah. That's it, guys. That's it. Added a couple stuff at the end, you know what I'm saying? But y'all gotta hear that on the stream. On the stream. You guys gotta hear that when you go stream it. Special ending. Go check it out. iTunes, Spotify, Tidal, Amazon, whatever, Google Play. Go stream that. It's called Huh by me, Rafwylin. I'm out, guys. I'll see you guys next time. Make sure you comment. Tell me what I can fix, because I know it's my first video. It's not going to be perfect. But, you know, tell me what to fix. Tell me, you know, what y'all want next. Make sure you like, subscribe. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. 1,000. So please help me out. Get me to 1,000. Share it, like it, comment. And make sure you go stream it. Once again, telling you again. And yeah, I'm gonna play the beat for y'all all the way through. But you ain't gonna hear the special ending. You gotta go stream now. But yeah, I'll catch you guys later. Peace. Oh man.
Huh!